Curing is one of the most crucial steps in concrete construction. Without proper curing, concrete won't reach its full strength, durability, or resistance to cracking. The standard curing period is 7 days for most general construction. But do you know why? Let's break it down. Concrete doesn't instantly become strong after pouring. It gains strength through a chemical process called hydration, where cement reacts with water to form a solid, durable mass. In the first 7 days, concrete achieves about 60 to 70% of its final strength. If curing is neglected, the surface can weaken, leading to structural problems down the line. If moisture evaporates too quickly, the concrete surface dries unevenly, leading to cracks. Shrinkage cracks develop when water leaves the concrete too fast, reducing its overall lifespan. Proper curing ensures even drying, preventing weak spots and surface defects. A well-cured concrete slab is dense and more resistant to water penetration. Poor curing results in porous concrete, which absorbs water and deteriorates over time. In reinforced concrete structures, this can cause steel reinforcement corrosion, weakening the structure. Temperature fluctuations can cause thermal cracks in fresh concrete. In hot and dry climates, concrete loses moisture quickly, increasing the risk of cracks. Curing keeps the concrete hydrated and stable, preventing temperature-related damage. Concrete strength is tested at 7, 14, and 28 days. At 7 days, it reaches about 65 to 70% of its design strength. At 28 days, it achieves 100% of its intended strength. Skipping curing can drastically reduce strength and durability. Here are some commonly used curing techniques. Ponding method, keeping the surface covered with water. Sprinkling water, spraying water frequently to maintain moisture. Wet covering, using Hessian cloth or burlap to retain moisture. Plastic sheet covering, preventing evaporation, especially in hot conditions. Curing compounds, applying chemical sprays to lock in moisture. Curing is not just an extra step. It's a necessity for ensuring concrete reaches its full strength, durability, and longevity. By following the 7-day curing rule, you avoid costly repairs, structural failures,